Alright.
Watch this.
Come this way though, don't go towards the electric boxes. That could be AFV right there. Went into the bushes.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, go back up and then do this next one. Do your little penguin thing. Here, T. Shoot for right about here, T.
I'm doing the same. I'm following Coach's track.
Look at it, he doesn't even need a sled. Bunch of nuts. Boy, it is coming down. Supposed to do this all night. It's gonna start. Our church might be canceled in the morning, guys. Here, see if you can come this way, Cal. Come right towards the camera.